Okay, it's about time I do this. I get a lot of questions from people asking, how do I get my Ryan's Tools buttons so that they stay docked in the interface? Now, the way I've been doing it is I've just been putting Ryan's Tools over here on the side. And when I make my videos, you see them all right here. And people want to know how to have them in the interface all the time. Well, one thing you can just simply do is just click on the little button right here in the upper left-hand corner of Z plugin, and just pop that over there, and then make sure Ryan's Tools is open, and that's always there. And then if you go to Preferences, Config, and Store Config or Save UI, you can save that and always have it open that way. Now, what I've done in addition to this is create my own custom user interface that you guys can download. So the way to do this is if you go to the Gumroad download page for Ryan's Tools, the free version and the pro version, now you'll find a Ryan's Tools UI config file. So you just download that. Then back in Zbrush, you're just going to go to Preferences, Load UI, and then wherever you saved it to, go ahead and pick on that and open it. Okay, so now all of the Ryan's Tools features are locked into this interface. So if you want to save this, you could just go to Preferences, Config, and Store Config, and that will make it the custom default interface. So as you can see, we've got a lot of the Ryan's Tools favorites up in here. We've also got a few items that come with ZBrush, but that I use all the time, like weld points, fixed mesh, merge tries. And also we've got the primitives down here, and a lot of the custom brushes that I use, and also built-in brushes that I use all the time are down here. Amp details, super smooth. A couple other things over here. I also took some things out of the interface. There are some features that I never use, and I really don't see much use for anyway. They're just cluttering things up, so I took them out of there. If you want to put them back in, let me just show you really quickly how you modify this. So go up to Preferences, Enable Customize. If you want to move something around, hold down Control and Alt, and then click and drag on it. And then you can reposition it, put it somewhere else, or you could go, into your menus here, and you'll say you really want this thing back over here. You could do that if you wanted to. If you want to get rid of something, just Control Alt, click and drag it into the canvas, and that'll get rid of it. Then when you're happy with the setup, just go to Enable Customize and store your configuration again. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this custom interface. Go ahead and download it. It's free, but please make a donation if you can. And if you have any questions, just let me know. Thanks.